quick tips on optimizing your LinkedIn page for yourself and for your law firm. Hey guys, Jamal Galadari here, helping law firms and attorneys with online marketing and SEO. So the first tip would be, and this is the biggest tip of all, set up a LinkedIn page. I can't tell you how many times attorneys don't have LinkedIn pages, and they're not on LinkedIn whatsoever. There's so many free tools that attorneys and law firms can utilize to convert clients and get more clients that don't cost you a penny. They only cost you maybe 30 minutes of your time, right? So it's a free service. LinkedIn is free, and you can set up a company page as well. So another tip would be set up a company page for your LinkedIn, right? That's only going to help you improve just overall brand awareness, right? And then I would say another big tip is, and I run in this too often, is have a professional photo. Too often times people don't have a professional photo, and attorneys don't have a professional photo on their LinkedIn page, right? As a legal consumer, when let's say they find you on LinkedIn and they don't see a photo, it's not very welcoming, right? It doesn't really build that relationship. A lot of potential clients do like to see who they're going to be working with, so you want to have a professional photo. Don't have a photo where you're just taking it at Christmas time, right? Have a professional photo on your LinkedIn page. Another tip would be to add the background to your LinkedIn page. A lot of backgrounds that I see for firms and attorneys, they don't have a branded background. So add your logo to the background, or if you don't have a logo, add something that has to do with your practice, something in legal, a photo that has something to do with it in legal, right? And then what you do is just hit the edit button and then add that to your background. Another thing is optimizing your header, right? So mine says Senior Client Development Consultant Thomson Reuters. That's a pretty generic one, right? For example, for attorneys, if you just said attorney, right, or lawyer in your header, it doesn't really tell the legal consumer what you do as well as LinkedIn what you do. So what you want to do is actually have bankruptcy attorney or estate planning attorney, probate attorney. That way when someone's doing a search in LinkedIn, you're showing up for that, as well as when people click on your website and they go to your LinkedIn page or they find your LinkedIn page, that's only going to help them really understand what you take on and what you do. You really want to own the first page of your total branding, right? If someone does any kind of search on you, you want to own that first page. And having a LinkedIn page is a strong thing that will help you in regards to showing up in the first page and dominating that first page when anyone's doing a search on you. So when someone clicks on your LinkedIn, they're going to see a professional photo. They're going to see that headline. So for example, I'll just show you one here. Michael Ziegler is one of my clients. He does a really good job with his online presence. But you can see we help consumers get in control of overwhelming debt. Another thing you could add is bankruptcy attorney right there as well. But you can see it says Palm Harbor. So you want to actually target your local market. So let's say if you're targeting, Clearwater, make sure you have Clearwater there. And another big tip is make sure your contact info is up to date. I can't tell you how many times I see attorneys that they don't have any contact info on their LinkedIn at all. When legal consumers going to LinkedIn, they want to know how to reach you, right? If they're going to reach out, you want to make sure that they can reach you, right? So make sure your contact info is up to date on your LinkedIn page. And when you set up a company page, right? So this is an example, just a company page. What you want to do is all your staff, if you have staff, have all your staff add the company page to their LinkedIn as well. Because what that does is it helps you with your branding and it helps with you building your network. Another tip would be build your network. So when you close up your clients and when you close up your clients or you get a new client, add them on LinkedIn, right? It's not going to hurt if they have a LinkedIn and you connect with them. Then the nice thing is when you connect with them, right, and then you post something on LinkedIn, it's going to go on their feed. They can share it. They can, and it's building a stronger brand for you. And over time, the nice thing is your clients are one of your biggest assets on getting referrals. And if you stay in touch with them, the better it's going to be, right? And you're always on top of their mind. So let's say if one of their family or friends is going through a bankruptcy, they're like, oh, Michael's always posting stuff on bankruptcy. He did my bankruptcy. and then they refer a case, right? So it's really important to connect with all those and get involved in LinkedIn and build your network. The bigger network you have, the better. Another tip would be to endorse other of your colleagues. And when you're endorsing them and endorsing their skills, what happens is when you endorse your colleagues, what's the odds they're going to endorse you as well? So it's just like reviews, right? You're getting endorsements from other attorneys as well as maybe potential clients as well, or your clients that are actually endorsing you. So then that way, when a potential client does see your LinkedIn page, they see that many people have endorsed you, right? So it's just showing, it's just like reviews, right? But endorsements on LinkedIn. Another thing is make sure on not only your business page, but your personal page, you have all your services listed, right? So naming off everything that you do to help potential clients, right? Maybe it's estate planning, you do trusts, wills. Make sure it's very properly filled out on your LinkedIn page, and that's only going to help you convert more clients, right? And make sure all your LinkedIn is on your Google My Business page, on your website. I will make another video on how better to optimize your Google My Business page and a lot of new features for Google My Business to help you boost your online presence. Well, I hope those quick tips were helpful. If you like the content, subscribe to my channel, as well as share it on LinkedIn. And if you want more info or if you need more help with this stuff, give me a call at any time, as well as you can go to my website, JamalGalladari.com. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.